Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick Givenchy handbag reveal and giving you my first impressions review. So let's get into the video. So guys, if you saw my last video, my Woodbury Commons shopping vlog, then most likely you already know what this bag is. And if you haven't seen that vlog, definitely go check it out. It was super fun. It was my first shopping outing like pretty much all year. I did find some nice things. I also picked up the shirt I'm wearing, which is just a t-shirt by All Saints, which was super cute for summer. Here it is. First, I'm going to take off the little ribbon. The packaging comes with these little ribbons because you can kind of tie them up and wear them like around your neck as a necktie. I really love that. And here is the bag. So let's open that up. And here is my bag. This is the Givenchy mini backpack in the smooth calf leather. Let me just attach the straps really quickly. All right guys, here is the backpack with the straps attached. But yes, I did pick up the bag. I did buy this bag at the Givenchy outlet at Woodbury Commons, and my sales associate name was Yannie. She was super helpful. If anybody is interested in purchasing this particular bag, I will put my sales associate information below so you can reach out to her directly at the outlet and you can pick one up if they have more available. The inside of the bag is just a black kind of cloth lining. Here you have the Givenchy leather tag. On the back is like the serial code, kind of Givenchy tag. So this is just the kind of price tag, like a little Givenchy care booklet. It's backpack bag, obviously black, and it's 100% calf leather. The one main compartment, and there's a little slip pocket in the back, and then you do have a front pocket there, Givenchy branding there. There's also Givenchy on the hardware. I actually am super excited about this purchase, but I wanted to give you guys a quick background as to why I went for this bag. Like, as you know, I was supposed to be in Paris by now, and I did have a kind of Paris shopping wish list, and one of the bags that I was looking to pick up was the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs Mini. Yes, that was on my wish list. I was looking to buy that bag in Paris because of the price, really. Here in the US, it retails for $1,990, and it would definitely be less to purchase it in Paris. Sometimes things just work out for a reason, because this is such a better purchase for me, and I want to make a couple of comparisons to the Palm Spring Mini and this bag, and why I think this bag suits me way better than the Louis Vuitton Palm Spring Mini. But let's state the obvious. It's like the same design. Has the top handle. It's a small backpack. It has the straps that you can wear and adjust to wear as a crossbody. You can wear it similar to a belt bag, like wear it across your body towards the front. You can wear it as a shoulder bag. If you saw my shopping vlog, you saw how I did try it on several different ways. That's one thing about this bag that I love, is that you can style it different ways. And you can style the Louis Vuitton Palm Spring Mini the same ways. Crossbody, wear as a traditional backpack. So this bag has the same functionality as that. So you would remove one strap from this side, and then you would clip this one strap to the top two D-rings, and now the bag is a crossbody bag. You can also leave the bag attached to the two D-rings on one side, so like that, and then you can wear it like this, and the bag will sit across your body similar to like a belt bag. Quick comparison as to why this bag, I'm so much more happy with this bag versus had I gotten the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs Mini. So the number one reason is the price. So the Louis Vuitton bag retails for $1,990 US. I purchased this at the Givenchy outlets at Woodbury Commons, and I literally purchased it for a fraction of the price of the Louis Vuitton backpack. So the savings alone made this bag such a better purchase. Also, this bag is a full leather bag, which the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs Mini is a canvas bag that has leather accents. So it has a few leather accents on the bag, and the straps are leather, but the full bag is actually monogram. And that brings me to discussing monogram canvas. I don't own any monogram handbags, and honestly, I'm not all that comfortable wearing monogram bags as like an everyday handbag. I do have my Louis Vuitton My World Tour Neverfull, but I don't consider that a handbag, like a day handbag. I don't wear it on a day-to-day basis. I usually use it for travel or something. But again, that bag is monogram with the black straps, which was similar to the Palm Spring Mini. The Palm Spring Mini is monogram with black leather accents and the leather straps and the black leather handle. So to be honest, I was kind of on the fence with purchasing a monogram handbag anyways. But you know, I figured it was small, and I think the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs is more of a trend look bag, whereas a mini leather backpack is definitely more of a classic. Another comparison is that this bag comes with silver tone hardware as well as the silver tone branding there, whereas the Louis Vuitton Mini Palm Springs comes with gold hardware. If you guys know me, I'm not a fan of gold hardware on bags, so it's just like all around just more suitable to my style. I definitely prefer to have things that are a little understated and a little like, if you know, you know, which is why this suits my personality way better. The Givenchy branding is super subtle and very understated, and obviously the Louis Vuitton Palm Spring Mini is just in your face because of the monogram, and I think everyone knows that bag at this point. This gives me the same functionality and vibe, but it's definitely more understated than the Louis Vuitton. So for my first impressions review, I'm super happy that this is a smooth leather black bag with silver hardware, and I just think it's such a fun bag for summer, especially. You can just throw it over your shoulder as a backpack, you know, going out on summer outings, shopping, or festivals. If we get to go to any festivals this summer, it's just like the perfect bag for all of those fun activities. Truthfully, if you're on the fence or you're interested in the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs Mini, I definitely would recommend this as an alternative, just off of the price difference. Like, you're still getting a designer bag for so much cheaper, but this bag I just think is better because it's leather, it's black, and it gives you the same functionality. And like I said, if you're interested in this bag or purchasing something from the Givenchy outlet at Woodbury Commons, definitely reach out to Yannie and she will be more than happy to help you. And she was very happy for me to share her contact information with you guys. And so if you guys reach out, just tell her that, you know, Zara sent you and you want the backpack or something similar. And this is my new bag, guys, and I think it's just kind of like the perfect little pick-me-up. And I think it's great that it was like sort of like a bag I was planning to purchase in Paris anyways. I was definitely going to pick up the Louis Vuitton's Palm Spring Mini in Paris, and now I have a different version of it. I'll definitely be featuring it more on my channel and wearing it this summer and sharing a more in-depth review once I've been wearing it for a while. But like I said, if you're interested in the bag, definitely hit up my sales associate Yannie. Her contact information will be listed in the description box below. So if you wanted to see more of my shopping day, definitely check out the Murray's Way, her vlog, because she featured kind of some more of our shopping day. So if you want to see more of that day, definitely check out her vlog. I'll put all of her information below if you want to follow. She's definitely into fashion as well. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. I talk about fashion, lifestyle, travel, and sometimes beauty. So I would definitely love if you subscribed and joined my online community. Also, don't forget to hit that bell so you can turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys,